Take a ride in the 2023 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, splash guards, rear sonar system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.